Subject-verb agreement, Rule -2. Plural subjects take plural verbs. Example, boys, run, fast. Cats, meow, loudly. Hats, cover. Heads, cats, climb trees. People, wear shoes. People, wear shoes. Keys, unlock doors. Dogs, fetch sticks. People, wave hello. Dogs, bark happily. Birds, build nests. Bears, climb trees. Frogs, hop in ponds. Friends, share toys. Friends, share toys. Ducks, quack loudly. Phones, ring loudly. Kids, ride bicycles. Parents, drive cars. Birds, sing sweetly. Pigs, oink on farms. Cups, sit on tables. Cups, sit on tables. Toys, fill the room. Trees, provide shade. Rabbits, hop quickly. Apples, come in bags. Girls, jump with joy. Students, study hard. Families, eat dinner. Families, eat dinner. Cars, drive on roads. Cats, nap in the sun. Friends, take photos. Ducks, swim in ponds. Cookies, taste sweet. Flowers, smell sweet. Babies, wear diapers. Robots, beep and boop. Socks, keep feet warm. Parents, read stories. Children, eat cookies. Cars, beep in traffic. Dogs, wag their tails. People, run marathons. Glasses, help you see. Socks, keep feet cozy. Cows, graze in fields. Frogs, croak at night. Fish, swim in the sea. Bikes, have 2 wheels. Sisters, share clothes. Chickens, cluck loudly. Planes, fly in the sky. Planes, fly in the sky. Sisters, share secrets. Kids, play in the park. Bikes, have 2 pedals. Babies, giggle and coo. Squirrels, climb trees. People, climb mountains. Children, draw pictures. Families, go on picnics. Kids, build sandcastles. Bears, have furry coats. Teachers, help students. Pencils, write on paper. Horses, neigh in fields. Fish, swim in aquariums. Fish, swim in aquariums. Puppies, play with toys. Friends, laugh together. Friends, laugh and talk. Elephants, have big ears. Cows, moo in the morning. Cows, moo in the pasture. Families, decorate homes. Cookies, taste delicious. Families, decorate homes. Cookies, taste delicious. Horses, gallop in fields. Bananas, come in bunches. Clouds, float in the sky. People, clap at concerts. Flowers bloom in spring. Children love ice cream. Dolphins swim gracefully. Ants crawl on the ground. Teachers write on boards. Stars twinkle in the sky. Trucks carry heavy loads. Friends visit each other. Families go on vacations. Brothers play video games. Brothers play video games. Balloons float in parties. Rabbits nibble on carrots. Puppies chase their tails. Bears hibernate in winter. Balloons float in the air. Kittens chase their tails. Books have colorful covers. Candles flicker in the wind. Candles flicker in the wind.